Well, for the third Monday in a row, we're dealing with storms yet again. When is there the severe threat for these storms?
The severe threat for the Metroplex is around 9-ish or later. Okay. Now, I had mentioned earlier, if the kids have any, plans this evening, practices or whatever it is, or someone wants to go out and work out outside, you're okay for the next few hours in the Metroplex. That doesn't mean we won't have a little bit of rain, like a spotty thunder shower here or there, but the severe weather threat in Dallas-Fort Worth isn't until around 9 o'clock or later tonight, like 9 to midnight.
Kids better be asleep by then.
They better be asleep by then.
And not a 0% chance of tornadoes tonight.
Oh, no, there's a chance of tornadoes tonight.
Right.
Yeah,
sure.
my number one concern is straight line winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour plus. Number two would be quarter to golf ball size hail. And then number three would be the chance of tornadoes. Now, this isn't a tornado setup where we're going to have these tornadoes that are on the ground they're going to be the brief ones that are on the ground for a couple of minutes, the 80, 90 mile per hour wind, but not the EF3s or EF4s. None of that's in the forecast tonight. But again, wind is the number one concern, straight line winds. Let me show you this. So already we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for areas west of the Metroplex. Cook County to Wise County, on down to Parker County, then Hood County, and all locations to the west. The Metroplex will have at least a severe thunderstorm watch, but it's a few hours away because we don't expect the back edge of this line of storms to arrive into those locations until about 9 o'clock tonight. Right now in Cedar Hill, the clouds are in place at 77 degrees. Dallas at 76, gusty winds right now. The high today was 81. The morning low was 59. Warmer than the normals of 74 and 52. Outside right now, it's 78. We have a breezy south wind at 17 miles per hour. This is nothing to take lightly tonight. We have an enhanced risk. That's a level 3, an enhanced risk on our scale here. 5's the highest and kind of the worst situation, but certainly a 3 is higher than just our average typical springtime thunderstorms. Once again, the threats are the wind, the hail, and also the tornadoes, as I mentioned. I also mentioned, I can't rule out a spotty shower or rumble or two of thunder, a non-severe thunderstorm for the next several hours in the Metroplex. Most of the Metroplex is okay, but right now, Collin County, the eastern sections of Dallas County seeing some rain, but that's okay. It's not severe. And by the way, we're in a horrible drought. That's the stuff that will continue to build off to the southwest. It'll build off to the southwest and then move into the Dallas-Fort Worth area as the night moves along. So we have 0 severe thunderstorms out there right now, but a lot of thunderstorm activity. And once again, the entire state is drought-stricken. So this is great news across the area. But the thunderstorms, the severe storms later, that's not great news. The rain's good, but the stormy weather certainly not. That's 8. You see 9 o'clock starting to move into the parts of just kind of that western sections of Denton County. Now we have thunderstorms in Dallas, or not Dallas, but certainly Tarrant County and Denton County at 10. That's 11 o'clock tonight, midnight for Dallas County. So these models keep updating on us, but the window of time for the Metroplex is about 9 o'clock until midnight tonight. After that, all the activity starts to shift off to the east, and certainly by sunrise tomorrow, all of North Texas is dry. But now until 9 o'clock, there you are. 9 o'clock until midnight. That's the time frame. And then midnight or later, we're looking at areas to the east of Dallas. But right in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, the Metroplex timing tonight is for severe storms. Some activity could happen the next several hours between now and 9 o'clock, but 9 until midnight is the 3-hour window for severe weather in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Those are the concerns. Wind number 1, hail number 2, tornadoes number 3, some localized flooding could take place. And look at that. I mean, that's great news as far as the drought goes. We're looking at an inch or 2 of rain across the area as the night moves along. Okay, here we are. This is what's happening tonight. 60s the low tonight. 100% of North Texas sees rain tonight. During the day tomorrow, it's a sunny day, near record high temperatures. The record high tomorrow is 89. My forecast is 87. So near record high temps tomorrow. We're in the 70s on Wednesday behind a cold front that'll move through. And then we're in the 60s as we head through Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, 70s and 80s. And then another chance of rain Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. But severe weather is a very, very strong probability tonight across North Texas. Certainly Dallas-Fort Worth will be here throughout the night and keep you updated. Mike?